Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Lona. I want to express my opinion about our new president, Mr. Prabowo Subianto. In my opinion regarding the new president of Indonesia, Prabowo Subianto, he is very ready to lead the country. It is proven that he has not been in office for a month, and many of the state assets that were missed by officials have been confiscated by the Attorney General Office. Also holding a military training for the new ministers and deputy ministers so that they can work together in building a better country. In my opinion, is very good. I hope that in the future Mr. Prabowo can make Indonesia better and more advanced, so that Indonesia can be better recognized by countries out there. Let me introduce myself. My name is Lona. This time I will present about simple present tense. What is simple present? Simple present tense is used to express fake habit or situation that occur generally and repeat steadily. Example, she read book every day. Simple present tense formula and structure. The following is the structure of the present tense. One is positive sense structure. Example sense are as follows: subject plus verb plus objects. Negative sense structure is subject, don't or does plus verb plus object. Next is question sentence structure is do or does plus subject plus verb plus object. The following is an example of the word from 1. I run fast. 2. You run fast. 3. He runs fast. 4. She runs fast. 5. It runs fast. 5, 6, they run fast, and last, we run fast. Next, there is negative sense. 1. I don't run fast. The example is 1. I don't run fast. 2. You don't run fast. He does run fast. She does run fast. It does run fast. They does run fast. We don't run fast. Next, there is the example of question sense. 1. I don't run fast. 2. Do you run fast? 3. Does he run fast? 4. Does she run fast? 5. Does it run fast? 6. Do they run fast? And last, do we run fast? Example of using the simple present tense. 1. For daily activity, the example is 1. I go to school every day. Next, he loves to play basketball. Next, she writes an email for her best friend. Next, they study English every Wednesday. Next, it usually rains every day here, unless the children are at home. Number 2, there is use for general fact and truth. The example is 1. The sunrise is the east and set in the west. 2. Fish live in water. 3. Giraffe eat leaf. Next, duck have 4 legs. and less bird fly with the wing is used for schedule and plan. The example is when he was going to call the doctor. I'm going to be sailor. Grandmother is going to make me 2 new dresses. For we are going to ready Harry's books, unless I am going to vacation next week. The use of ending s or as in English simple present tense depends on several factors, namely 1. The final letter of the verb. If verb n is in ch, ss, shx, or z, then add s. Final letter of verb of consonant. If the verb ends in a consonant, positive or negative, then change the y to e and add as for final letter and vowels. If the verb ends is vowel, positive or negative, then add s. Subject of the sentence. The ending s or s is used to describe the function of third person singular. He, she, it. The follow the verb. The example of use of s or s. The example is he works in office every day. She often makes mistake. He passes my house every day. He wears his clothes every day. Mr. Smith teaches English every day. He plays a kite. He plays football. Next, use don't or dance. Learning about the of don't and dance is very important because there are rules or procedure for using them. Do is a verb with sense that use subject. I, you, they, and we, and is from a positive sense or integrative sense. Meanwhile, don't is only used for verb with negative sense or integrative sense. To learn more clearly about the use don't and doesn't when learning English, I Can English provides intensive English course with professional tutor. The following is an example of using the word don't is sense from don't think that they will. The example of use the word don't sense from 1. I don't think that they will understand it is usually you don't have enough money to get this latest car. We don't want to take any risks by running this policy. They don't say anything to me, they just leave. And the example of use the word doesn't is sent from 1. Tania does all this work alone. 2. I tried to fix the robot but does not work. 3. She does not go to anywhere, she keeps waiting for your coming. Unless he does not say any single word. The use of do and does in simple present tense in English depends on subject. Do is used for first and second and third person plural subject, namely I, you, they, we. Does is used for third person singular subject and noun, namely he, she, it in negative and integrative sense. Does must change to do. Here are some examples of sense that use do and does. 1. The example use do. 1. Do you remember when we went to the beach? 2. Do we leave our case behind? And 3. Do they know they are noisy? An example of use does. 1. Does she like crocheting? 2. How does your father know the rain stopped? And last, does it hurt when you fall from your bicycle? Example of simple present tense conversation. The following is example of simple present tense conversation. Conversation 1 is A. Hello, I am Mia. What's your name? And B. Hi, I'm Anna. Are you now here? Yes, I am. Where do you come from? I'm from Jakarta. Do you live with your parents? No, I live with my aunt. Which one is your house, Mia? It's the blue one. Do you work, Mia? Yes, I do. I go to work class. What class do you go to? It's sewing class. You may join if you want to. That sounds interesting, but I have got to college until 3 exam on the weekend. That's fine. The weekend class to great then. Next example or talking starter. A has a me and B has you. The example is, do you have a sibling? Yes, I do come from the large family. That's cool. How many brother or sister do you have? I have 2 brothers and 4 sisters. Does any of them live here too? No, they live in Jakarta, but one of my sisters is in Jogja now. Is the college student? Yes, she is. Are you married? Yes, I am. My son is 6 years old now. Does he go to school? Yes, he does. He is grade 1. What time does the school end? At 12. And what time do you go to work? At 12, right after and the class end. My husband works from home, so he's the one who take care of our son while I'm away. Is he an entrepreneur? No, he is not. He is translator and editor. Next, the example of conversation 3. A and B, the conversation. A. Do you walk to college? Yes. What about you? Do you walk to work? I do, but when I'm too lazy to walk, I usually take the bus. Do you cook? I do, only for breakfast. My husband pick me up for work and we have our dinner outside. What time do you finishing work? At 7. I work on 6 hours. When is your day off? On Monday and Thursday. You must be really busy. No, really, I enjoy my activity too. That's all from me. If there are any shortcomings, please forgive me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.